Simplifying fractions. When you're working out questions involving fractions, you're often asked to leave the answer in the simplest form possible. However, even if you're not specifically asked to do so, you're always expected to. So being able to simplify fractions is very important. Let's look at how to simplify the following fraction. So what we have to do is see if there is a number that will divide into both the numerator and the denominator. There is. It's 5. So you divide 5 by 5 to give you 1, and you also divide 25 by 5 to give you 5. So your answer is 1 over 5. Let's have a look at another one. Okay, we have 8 twelfths. Let's see if we can think of a number that will divide into both the numerator 8 and the denominator 12. 2. So 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. So the answer is 4/6. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the final answer because it's not simplified as much as possible. We can see that we can simplify it even further by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2 again. This will give us the answer of 2/3. Now this is definitely the final answer, as there's no number that can divide into both 2 and 3, as they're both prime numbers. So my final answer is 2/3. I want you to have a look at this question again. We can see that we simplified 8 over 12 by dividing by 2 once and then dividing by 2 again. Now what we could have done instead is we could have done one step. Now let me explain that. Whenever you divide by 2 and then divide by 2 again, it's the same as dividing by 4. So what we could have done is we could have divided 8 by 4, and we could have divided 12 by 4, and that would have given us the answer of 2 and then 3, which is the answer you got up here. But as you can see, we did it in one step. So the key is to find the biggest number that will divide into both the numerator and the denominator. Don't worry if you can't think of the biggest number that will divide into both the numerator and denominator. Just do it in steps, because you'll get the same answer in the end anyway. Let's have a look at this one. 10 over 30. So what I can do is, I know that 2 will divide into 10, and it also divides into 30. But let me think if I can think of the biggest number to save myself some time. 10. So I know that 10 divides into 10 once, and 10 divides into 30 3 times. So my final answer is 1/3. I could have alternatively divided 10 by 2 and then divided by 5 again, and I would have done the same with 30. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and try these. How did you do? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then try again.